In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wash and clean your shower curtain. I'm going to give you a level 1 cleaning and I'm going to give you a level 2 cleaning. For the level 1 cleaning, you're simply going to examine the curtain and you're going to look for any visible stains. Once you find those stains, you're going to pre-treat them and spray them down liberally with some OxiClean. After you pre-treated the stains, you're going to wash the shower curtain as you normally would in your washing machine. You want to use a delicate cycle with warm water. Once the shower curtain is done washing and rinsing, you want to dry it in your dryer on low heat or no heat. And if you don't have a drying machine, feel free to let it air dry. And that is your level 1 cleaning. If your shower curtain has a lot of mold or a lot of mildew on it, the very reddish, gunky stuff, the shower curtain is heavily soiled like that, you're going to need to jump up to the level 2 cleaning. For this, you want to fill up a small container with water and you want to add some OxiClean to it and you want to soak that shower curtain for 5 to 6 hours in that OxiClean. Make sure you use warm water when you fill up your container. After you've soaked it for 5 to 6 hours, we're going to launder it as we normally would in the level 1 cleaning. Put it in your washing machine, delicate cycle, warm water, and you'll be good to go. After it's finished washing, you're going to pull it out of the dryer. Once again, low heat to no heat. And if you don't have a drying machine or you just don't want to put it in the drying machine, feel free to allow it to air dry. And lastly, we want to make sure we clean this rod up here before we put our shower curtain back. For this, all you need is some Dawn Power Wash and a cleaning cloth. So dampen the cleaning cloth, spray some Dawn Power Wash on it, and wipe down the rod until it's nice and clean. And I just want to mention that you should do this process every couple of months. Or if your shower curtain gets really filthy before then, go ahead and wash it. One of the things that helps us out around this house is we have 2 shower curtains. So we take one down, we launder it, we wash it, and then we put the clean one up. So I ain't got to be in a rush to get the other one clean. And I just kind of like if you have 2 sets of sheets for your bed, take one off, wash it, put the other one on. Same philosophy in this situation. And that, my friends, is how to clean your shower curtain.